Tutorial 7. Hello and welcome. The following tutorial explains how to build the main similarity table. The similarity table defines the most frequent combinations of variables as perceived by the mindset detector. The difference levels among the combinations are set according to the value of the interval size of the variables chosen for the similarity table. A variable appears in the similarity table if it was marked as such in the model's variable properties screen. The similarity table is comprised of all of the variables that were marked as similarity variables, and, in addition, contains the following columns. The similarity column shows how many records out of the total collected records about this model belong to this combination. The most common combination will be numbered as 1. The rest of the combinations will receive descending values, depending on their level of frequency. These values will appear in the relative similarity column. The next column is topology, which presents how good or bad the combination is. The last column is accumulated value of the totaled records in percentage. This depends on the individual topology definition of each variable. The similarity table is used to create alerts when the process reaches an area with low prevalence or an area with bad topology. A more detailed explanation about creating an alert can be seen under Topology, Similarity, in the Topics section of our website. The filter table view allows the user to filter the display according to different logical terms, for example, if a certain value is higher than a limit, lower than a limit, or a combination of both. While creating the table, the system will calculate two important indexes, the uncertainty index and the stability index. The uncertainty index ranges from 0 to 1. The closer the index is to 0, the lower the chances are of receiving false alarms. The second index, the stability index, indicates the table's level of stability and its possible fluctuations. The closer the index is to 0, the more stable the table will be. On the right, at the very bottom of the screen, the Critical Values field displays the critical values for topology and similarity. A critical value is a value that yields less than 0.1% of alerts. The icons on the left side enable the user to carry out the following actions. The similarity table is a prerequisite for activating the similarity detector. The similarity table and similarity detector are prerequisites for activating the model. Thank you. We hope you have found this tutorial helpful and clear. If not, or if you have any additional suggestions or comments regarding this tutorial, please submit your remarks via our website.